What up guys? Do you have a PSP that's not turning on but charging? So for today's video, I will show you how to fix a PSP that is not turning on but charging. Okay, so in this case right here, this is a PSP 2001. It was not powering on but charging. So what I did, I looked up online on Google and they kind of told me that it was the power switch issue. So what I did, I ordered a brand new power switch, and then I did is I removed the screws right here and I removed the old switch. This is the old power switch. You can see right there, that's the old power switch. I put it the brand new power switch right here, and lo and behold, the PSP now has power. Before it was just charging, not turning on, but you can see now has power and the light is now bright. You can see right there. So if you have a PSP that is not turning on but charging, what you need to do is search online, search on Google. If the issue is power switch, then you need to replace the power switch like what I did on this one right here. It's a very simple fix. So if you know how to fix PSP, you can fix it yourself by removing the screws, removing the shell right here, the front shell, and removing the power switch. Very easy to fix. So that's it. Bye.